Good morning. I just wanted to give you a quick update on 12th night. So the test I have is really like a big quiz. It's all multiple choice. Everything's multiple choice. And so it's really just like a big quiz. So later today, I'm going to post just a study guide that you don't have to fill in. It's just really to study. I just want to wrap up 12th night. So you'll have like your big, I'm calling it a big quiz because I can't even really call it a test. It's not like my typical test. It really is just 25 multiple choice questions. I am going to have a little essay section at the bottom just so that I'm having you write a little bit, but with our persuasive essay happening, I don't really want to assign too much. I'm also going to be looking at your organizers today and then letting you know we're going to start drafting soon. And so I'll get your rubric out for that pretty soon. That way you can know what you're doing when you're drafting. So that rough draft will be due next week, which will be on the 4th quarter. My goal today is to go through and make sure all of our grades are accurate, so you can see what you're missing since the quarter ends tomorrow. So if you have any questions with that, just let me know. Don't hesitate to be like, Mrs. Brock, I don't know. But yeah, so just know that tomorrow we're going to take a 12th night big quiz on the whole book. So study your quiz questions. Make sure you know who the characters are in the front of your books. Let me show you, hold on. In the front of your book there is the characters right here. See that? The characters. So go through and make sure you study that. And clearly it's an open book, big quiz, because I can't have you, I mean, it's just going to happen. I know that. So go ahead and use your books for this. And you're allowed to use your books for your big quiz. So, and then your a couple paragraph response at the end. So I'll check today. I'll private comment to you about your organizer so you can start drafting. Your vocab is due today. Your discussion post, your additional one was due yesterday. Your big one, or your 2 replies are due tomorrow. So just make sure you're being mindful of those. But yeah, so just be prepared. Later I'm going to post a study guide of just some things to know. But just wanted to give you a heads up that there will be a big quiz / mini test tomorrow. So that way we can wrap it up for the 3rd quarter and then start fresh with the 4th quarter with our new book, which I'll let you know that will be next week. So yeah, so hope that's exciting that we can wrap this up and then move on to something else. So anyway, guys, I hope that you are doing well. Clearly, I miss you. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'm here to help. So thanks, guys.